Chapter 2: Microorganisms, Friends and Foes. Alcohol is produced with the help of sodium chloride, yeast, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option B, yeast. What helps in the rise of bread and dosa dough? Heat, grinding, growth of yeast cells, low pressures. The correct answer is C, growth of yeast cells. The rod-shaped bacteria are called Bacillus, Coccus, Vibrio, Spirillum. The correct answer is option A, Bacillus. The microorganism which contains chlorophyll. Virus, fungus, algae, all. The correct answer is C, algae. The disease caused by protozoa is tuberculosis, polio, typhoid or malaria. Option D, malaria. The disease caused by fungi is measles, chickenpox, polio or ringworm. The correct answer is option D, ringworm. Which bacteria helps in setting of curd? Rhizobium, Lactobacillus, Vibrio cholera and Bacillus. The correct answer is option B, Lactobacillus. Which microorganisms causes AIDS? A protozoa, bacteria, a virus, an algae. The correct answer is option C, a virus. Which of the following disease is spread due to bacteria? Tuberculosis, measles, chickenpox, polio. The correct answer is tuberculosis. Which of the following is not used as food preservators? Salt, sugar, vinegar, methane. The correct answer is option D, methane. Spirogyra is an algae, a fungi, a protozoa, bacteria. The correct answer is an algae. Some plants have nitrogen fixing bacteria in their root nodules. Which are these bacteria? Blue-green algae, Nitrosomonas, Azotobacter, Rhizobium. The correct answer is option D, Rhizobium. In order to take precautionary steps to control dengue, we must take measures to stop breeding of Aedes mosquitoes, fleas, fire ants or Anopheles mosquitoes. The correct answer is option A, Aedes mosquitoes. Microbiology is the study of useful products prepared from microbes, part of living microorganisms, microbes, disease caused by microorganisms. Correct answer is option C, microbes. What process takes place when yeast is added to grape juice and left for a week? Decomposition, fermentation, distillation, oxidation. The correct answer is fermentation, option B. Which is fungal disease in human? Amoebiasis, tuberculosis, anthrax, athlete's foot. The correct answer is option D, athlete's foot. Which of the following disease causing pathogen is or are carried by mosquitoes? Dengue fever, malaria, cholera, both A and B. The correct answer is D, both A and B. Microorganisms are saprophytes, autotrophs and heterotrophs or heterotrophs. C. Heterotrophs and autotrophs. Which of the following can effectively prevent the ringworm disease? Vaccination, vector control, improving personal hygiene, using antibiotics. The correct answer is C, improving personal hygiene. A plant disease called citrus canker is caused by a dash. Virus, protozoa, bacteria or fungi. The correct answer is C, bacteria.